Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you encounter the frustrating 4013 error code while restoring or updating your device via iTunes, causing the device to enter recovery mode, display the Apple logo, or get stuck on the reset progress bar, don't worry. In today's video, we will help you resolve the iTunes 4013 error and restore your device's functionality. Method 1. Force Restart iPhone. A force restart is a relatively effective method. The operation is to quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press the power button until the Apple logo appears. If this method is ineffective, you can try the second method that follows. Method 2. Use iTunes to repair iPhone. If the previous methods are unsuccessful, you can still use iTunes to repair your iPhone. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and then holding the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open iTunes, which will prompt that your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. If you wish to update without losing data, select Update. If you do not want to update or retain data, select Restore here. We click Restore and then follow iTunes prompts to download the appropriate firmware for system repair. If an error occurs during this process, I recommend using a more efficient method. Method 3. Repair iPhone with UltFone iOS System Repair. If the problem persists, you can use UltFone iOS System Repair for a standard repair. It is an iOS system repair software that can resolve over 150 system issues without affecting your data. Common problems can be fixed in this way, and you can find the official UltFone download link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Put your iPhone into recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until it enters recovery mode. Open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Select Standard Repair, then download the corresponding firmware and wait patiently. Once the download is complete, start the standard repair process. The software will automatically fix the device's system issues. It takes about 10 minutes, and once the repair is complete, your iPhone can be used normally without losing any data. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we will be happy to assist you. See you in the next video.